All right, hey, real quick, people always ask me, hey, Mike, how come you have so many nurseries up there, in the Perry, Ohio, Madison, Ohio area? So I'm going to show you, but real quick, I want to show you why you should always check the bucket of the tractor before you start working, especially when you're old and you kind of forget from one day to the next what you were doing. So I grabbed a bucket of soil this morning, and now I noticed that there was a spade and a mattock in the bucket of the tractor. The good news is there are no tools were harmed in the making of this video, but it's a little embarrassing. So anyway, this is actually soil from the topsoil that's on this property. When we cleared the land back there, we pushed up a whole bunch of soil, or we cleared brush and stuff, and all the brush disappeared in the pile, and now there's some soil left in there, so I'm using this soil up here. I'll show you that project here, in a couple of days, or probably associated with the end of this video. But anyway, this is the soil that we have around here, and I know people are going to be really envious because it's all sand and gravel. This part is mostly sand. You can see there's gravel in here, but I can literally stick my hand in there. This isn't compost that I processed, or it's not been screened or anything like that. It's just basic soil from this property. And plants, especially nursery crops, love that sandy gravel type soil. So that's why we have so many nurseries up in this area. So real quick, right behind me, this is the project that I'm working on. This was really low. We had containers here, and it was always wet and soggy, and the plants didn't like it, and it just looked horrible. So last fall, I put about 15 yards of soil in this area, and this morning I probably brought up another maybe 4 yards, 4.5, 5 yards, something like that today. That should do it. I'm going to get this leveled off and raked out, and then I can put this black ground cover cloth back down and get my irrigation back in place. So anyway, that's my story. Until next time, stay inspired.